Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to teach you a little bit about Bitcoin ATMs. But first, guys, verse of the day. I tell you, whoever acknowledges me before men, the Son of Man will also acknowledge him before the angels of God. Guys, that's powerful. If you guys are going to be teaching others about Jesus and God and bringing others to him, he's going to acknowledge that. Our whole purpose in life is bringing others to God and spreading the word of God and teaching about the salvation. So guys, let's bring others to him. It's our purpose in life. All right, so let's get into the video. Bitcoin ATMs. So here, there's a Bitcoin ATM search. You literally can go to coin at m, or I'm sorry, oh, that was lame. Coin at m. How about coinatmradar.com? And then you can do /Bitcoin-ATM, and then when you select a different one, this little selection up here will change when you search it. But you can search the address near you. You can pick Bitcoin, or Lightning Bitcoin. Lightning Bitcoin is not the same as Bitcoin. It is just another cryptocurrency. So just so you guys are aware of that, there's different tokens. So this guy obviously paid for an ad to get his boosted. But they have different ones. They have like National Bitcoin ATM. They got CoinFlip. They got Deposit Bitcoin. They got Bitbox. There's different brands. So you can click on any of them. A lot of people are curious how they look, how they are. Some people will take photos and show you what it looks like. So here's the Bitcoin ATM. You obviously walk in the door. There it is right there. So it's in a Shell station. Okay, cool. You can even call in to the National Bitcoin ATM, ask for information about it. Super easy to use, guys. I'll attach in the video on how to do it. So let's see how to go ahead and buy some Bitcoin with a Bitcoin ATM. Alright guys, gotta love this music, right? Alright, so this is a quick tutorial. So how the this is the particular ATM. So this is how it works. Basically, you look for the location. I showed you how to look for the locations. You can do any of them near you. The customer arrives, opts in for the cryptocurrency. You scan your wallet on the machine. Boom, scan. Now you go to the machine, put cash in the sucker, and it sends the cryptocurrency to your phone. Usually the block times take about 10 minutes. It's sent to the customer's wallet. You get a receipt. And thank you. That's it. Alright, so now that we checked out that video, what are the pros and cons of a Bitcoin? So here's in 2020, the first step, or the first biggest thing, is the KYC. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. So basically, you can buy Bitcoin anonymously with this, as long as you're sending it to a wallet you're already, or you haven't done a KYC on. So if you send it to your Coinbase wallet, you most likely have already done a KYC on there. So I would recommend like bringing your Ledger Nano wallet address, or just some iPhone wallet address, or a cell phone wallet address that you have, and then quickly transfer it off to your Ledger Nano just for security. Speed. So guys, you saw in the video, it's like instant. Another thing is accessibility is increasing. These are becoming more and more. So like here in Tampa area, 1, 2, 3. I mean, look, these are all like right next to me. I mean, before that was unheard of. Like if you want to look at this one, look at Lightning Bitcoin. This one's the newer token. Like I said, it's not Bitcoin. Nearest one is 700 miles or 600 miles. I'm not going there. Are you kidding me? I'll just buy it online. Another thing is it's comfortable, easy to use. So it's just like a regular ATM. You guys saw it in the video. It's secure. So really, you deposit the cash, get the payment. If you have any issues, you can even call in that number. Transaction fees. This is a bad thing. Transaction fees are high on these ATMs. It'll even tell you the rates on there. They're ridiculously high. So be careful with that. Sometimes you can have technical issues. And they do have those issues, but usually the company will resolve those. Overall, the final verdict, this is what the website says. But in general, the Bitcoin ATMs are a good way to buy Bitcoin. I do recommend them if you are looking to buy Bitcoin anonymously. So it's almost like buying Bitcoin just with cash. So guys, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification for any updates as we make more cryptocurrency videos. If you guys like the video, smash that like button. If you dislike it, smash that dislike button. Either way, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.